In our Citizens' Voice, today we bring you the plight of Gurgaon residents who are suffering because of unplanned urbanization. For the residents of upmarket heritage city, rapid urbanization and a metro line right in front of their apartment has turned into a bane rather than a boon.
Supposed to be one of the most neat, green and quiet condos of Gurgaon. It definitely still is neat, clean and also quiet when you're inside. But once you step out, it's all chaos, noise and pollution. In fact, I am now joined by some of the residents of Heritage City to share their experiences. So coming to you, Shefalika ma'am first, when you first moved in, did you ever think this is where you're going to land up in?
Not in my wildest dreams. This was such an island of tranquility, inside and outside. And today, as you can see it, traffic chaos, pollution, noise pollution, as well as dust pollution. I suffer from allergic bronchitis round the year. We all have to invest in Fenesta and other windows, change our infrastructure so that this noise doesn't get.
Yes. So, Atul, coming to you, you are the president of the society. What are the steps that you guys have been taking?
We've been approaching the government authorities for some time, the cops, the local politicians. They've been making promises to us, but nothing has happened till date. In fact, on the weekends, our security team has a very tough task in trying to man the traffic.
Right.
I mean, there are times when our security staff members are beaten up because we don't let the local, the cars and all to move in. And you will not see a single cop here. On the entire road today also, if you see, look at the chaos there is. There will be not even one traffic police officer or a regular police PCR van to manage this crowd. So it's extremely difficult really to get this place into order. And like I shared with you, that the infrastructure planning that they are doing right now at the IFCO Chowk, in spite of us being the stakeholders, in spite of us being the people who are going to finally suffer or benefit from it, nothing has been discussed. Hundreds and hundreds of crore rupees are being spent without even asking a single condo on MG Road to give their input that how much are they suffering or trying to earlier set this place in order before making the place more chaotic.
Here is little Damir. So Damir, these traffic jams, the chaos often delays you. Your friends have to wait for you every time?
Yeah, a lot of time this has happened and I miss most of my classes because of this. And if there's any new good movie come out, then we have to use the entry gate except of the exit gate and we get stuck in traffic.